Howdy guys, welcome back to another video. This time we're going to be doing another comparison video between two of the best prop trading firms in the industry. This time we're going to take a look at True Forex Funds and E8 Funding and how they stack up against each other. We're going to compare them based on different topics, some general company details, what they're offering to traders and what their community has to say about their offerings. Be sure to stick until the end since, like always, we've prepared discounts for both prop trading firms for you. But without further ado, let's dive into the comparison. So we're going to start with some general company details. So True Forex Funds, they were incorporated in October 2021, while E8 Funding started operating in November 2021. As you can see, the incorporation difference between the proprietary trading firms is only a month, which we'll also see later based on the reviews of the communities that have been published. Regarding CEOs, again, apologies in advance if I do mispronounce the names. True Forex Funds is being run by Richard Nagy, while E8 Funding CEO is Dylan El-Kami. Now, both prop trading firms, they're being run by successful individuals in their own right, even though I struggle with the pronunciation. They're doing excellent jobs for their representative prop firms, given the amount of attention and waves that these prop firms are making, given they are still relatively new. Now, when looking at office locations, we've got one located in Europe, while the other is in the USA. True Forex Funds, they are in Hungary, while E8 Funding, they are in Dallas, Texas. And just to end the topic of general company details, it's probably pretty important that we state the maximum allocation of capital, since this is a pretty essential subject for traders to determine the potential of how much capital they can acquire with the respective prop trading firm. So True Forex Funds, they allow traders to work with capital up to $400,000 USD, while E8 Funding caps the maximum allocation capital to $1 million USD. Now, when it comes to funding programs, there are some different structures. Now, you can find funding programs such as one-step evaluation, two-step evaluation, direct funding, and in some cases, assessment management. Both prop trading firms offer two-step evaluation programs, and True Forex Funds has one, while E8 Funding has two. True Forex Funds' two-step evaluation program is an industry standard, as well as the E8 Funding's classic E8 two-step evaluation challenge. However, Elevate is the same exact evaluation challenge as the classic E8 Funding account. The only difference is in the scaling plan, since it offers a more aggressive scaling plan that can reach a maximum capital of $1 million. Now, looking at trading objectives, again, there's heaps more information on the respective websites, so I do encourage you to take a look yourself. But there are so many other different aspects that we can go through, but we've tried to narrow them down to the most important rules and guidelines when choosing a proprietary trading firm. Do note, though, that since both prop trading firms only share a two-step evaluation program, that's the one that we're going to be comparing. Now, starting with profit targets, both prop trading firms have relatively low profit targets compared to the industry's average. So True Forex Funds and both E8 Funding accounts, they have a profit target of 8% in phase one. However, in phase two, True Forex Funds rather has a profit target of 4%, while both E8 Funding program types have a profit target of 5%. Now, both prop firms, they also have a maximum daily and maximum loss rule. You are allowed to lose 5% on a daily basis with both prop firms, while True Forex Funds has a 10% maximum loss rule compared to E8 Funding's 8% maximum loss rule. Worth keeping in mind. Both prop trading firms have no minimum trading day requirements. You simply pass your phase when you reach your profit target. Regarding the maximum trading day requirements, on the other hand, both prop firms, they do have an identical ruling, 30 calendar days for phase one and 60 calendar days for phase two. And just to end the trading objectives comparison on these ones, the profit split each prop firm provides the profitable traders with, both of them have an identical profit split of 80% on all funding programs that are paid to all of their profitable traders on a bi-weekly basis. Now, comparing the two-step evaluation program prices, we can see from the start that MyForex Funds is cheaper than E8 Funding. Both prop trading firms share the following account sizes, the $25,000, $50,000, and $100,000 accounts. That being said, let's go through the prices themselves for those account sizes. The 25K account that True Forex Funds offers costs 189 euros, while the E8 Funding 25K account costs $228. Might have to do a bit of a conversion rate yourself to check the difference there. The 50K account that True Forex Funds offers costs $299, while the E8 Funding 50K account costs $338. The 100K account of True Forex Funds costs $499, while the E8 Funding 100K account costs $588. Now, the Elevate account, on the other hand, That costs $888. In addition, you can also calculate the final prices with the discounts that we have ready for you guys. So be sure to stay until the end so you get those ones and you can utilize those as well. Now, True Forex Funds allows their traders to choose between the following two trading platforms, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. E8 Funding, on the other hand, only allows traders to choose MetaTrader 4 as their trading platform. And when it comes to brokers, they're quite similar since both prop trading firms are partnered with Tier 1 liquidity provider that allows them to access the market directly. Note that this is quite new for True Forex Funds. Not that long ago, they still had a partnership running with IC Markets. So a bit of a change there recently. Jumping into trading instruments, True Forex Funds and E8 Funding, they allow you to trade a wide range of trading instruments. They both allow traders to trade Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. However, in addition to those, True Forex Funds also enables you to trade bonds and futures, while E8 Funding allows you to trade equities. So it depends which style you are more into there. Now that we've gone through both prop trading firms, trading platforms and instruments, let's cover the commissions that you charge while trading with each prop firm. So True Forex Funds charges you $7 per round lot for Forex pairs and approximately $3.50 for commodities, while commission prices for indices, cryptocurrencies, bonds, and futures vary depending on their Tier 1 liquidity provider. E8 Funding, on the other hand, they charge you $3 to $5 per round lot for Forex pairs and approximately $9 per round lot for gold. Commissions for other commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, and equities have variable prices that depend again on the Tier 1 liquidity provider. That allows them to access the market directly, like with True Forex Funds for cryptocurrencies, indices, bonds, and futures. Last little thing we're going to take a look at, which is a really essential aspect when choosing a prop trading firm, is the feedback from their community. It gives you a lot of information about the positives and sometimes the negatives of a prop firm. That's why we'll also compare both firms' TRUSTPILOT statistics. So at the time of recording, True Forex Funds has a rating of 4.5 out of 5 from a total of 203 reviews. E8 Funding, though, a rating of 4.7 out of 5, little higher there from a total of 151 reviews, but not as many reviews. And the small difference in the number of reviews is somewhat because of the incorporation dates from the beginning of the comparison video when we mentioned that they're about a month apart from their incorporation. Please do your own research though and check out both prop firms on TRUSTPILOT to see more in-depth comments and feedback from community members. Please note though that both proprietary trading firms are definitely legitimate and one of the best in the prop firm industry, but do your due diligence and go and check out some other feedback from some of their clients and customers. And just to wrap things up here with all our core aspects, so True Forex Funds and E8 Funding, they are two industry-leading prop firms that offer excellent conditions to traders worldwide. A small difference would include the funding programs they offer, since True Forex Funds has a single two-step evaluation and E8 Funding has two-step evaluations. And other minor differences as well would be the trading objectives. Both prop firms have the same profit targets in both phases and maximum daily loss limits. However, True Forex Funds has a higher maximum loss limit rule. And regarding trading platforms, well, both prop trading firms use their liquidity provider, while True Forex Funds offers MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 to trade on, while E8 Funding allows you, or allows traders rather, to trade on MetaTrader 4 only. Both prop firms allow you to trade Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. In addition, True Forex Funds allows you to also trade bonds and futures, while E8 Funding also allows equities. The commission for opening and closing positions is better for E8 Funding traders since they only charge you $3 to $5 per round lot on Forex pairs and up to $9 on gold. Commissions at True Forex Funds are slightly higher, but note the commission prices with many trading instruments do vary with both prop firms because their Tier 1 liquidity provider is always trying to implement the best possible prices. And again, the last little but very important factor that we looked at to wrap up is the community feedback from each prop firm. So True Forex Funds, they have that rating of 4.5 out of 5. And E8 Funding, they have that rating of 4.7 out of 5. So that being taken into consideration, we can see some of the main differences. But we can both say that both prop firms are for sure one of the industry-leading proprietary trading firms out there at the moment. Very legit, and you probably can't go too wrong with either of these. Thanks as always for watching, guys. Please subscribe to watch more comparison as well as reviews about Forex proprietary trading firms, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.